guys, this is just a really quick video to answer another question that I received recently over Instagram, and that is, what exactly is imagery? Imagery is a term that's often used and bandied about rather too casually, I feel, in literary analysis. Does it mean an actual image? Does it have to be visual? And so there's a lot of confusion surrounding this term, which I hope I can clarify once and for all in this video. So basically, imagery is a concept. So what contributes to imagery is diction. And what that means is groups of words that often relate to the same thematic idea. And so if you see, for example, 3 to 4 descriptions all relating to color, and they're in very close proximity in the same passage, then what you can say is that there is color imagery. Or if you find a lot of descriptions about plants, water, rivers, mountains, hills, etc., all natural elements in one passage, almost like it's creating a pastoral landscape, then you can definitely say that there is the use of natural imagery. And so always remember, imagery is not a separate thing. You don't say there is a imagery or 2 imageries. God forbid. No, there's no plural term for imagery, nor do we say 1 image, 2 images. No, that's not what we say in literary analysis. We say that there is the use of certain types of imagery, and what that certain type is would really depend on the nature of the group of words that appear in a given passage. But in general, there are a couple of key types of imagery that we tend to come across time and again in literary passages, and they are sensory imagery, kinesthetic imagery, and organic imagery. And so sensory imagery, as the name suggests, refer to the 5 senses, and you can break them down into visual imagery, auditory imagery, gustatory imagery, olfactory imagery, and tactile imagery. So visual refers to sight, auditory to hearing, gustatory to taste, olfactory to smell, and tactile to touch. Usually we tend to find sensory imagery in a lot of densely descriptive passages. And when it comes to kinesthetic imagery, that really refers to movement and actions. If there's a very action-packed moment in a passage, then there's probably some kinesthetic imagery there. And when it comes to organic imagery, and another term for that is subjective imagery, this really relates to all of your deeper bodily sensations. So if you feel pain, or if you feel discomfort, or if you feel a certain kind of numbness, that's actually all organic or subjective imagery. And then of course, we tend to find the kind of more common types of imagery like color imagery, natural imagery, urban imagery, rural imagery, etc. Really, so anything that relates to a unified thematic idea. So I hope this clarifies for you guys what imagery really is and how you can go about looking for it in any literary passage. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!